try with a normal acid-base reaction, which ultimately will lead you to standardize acid and base reaction. So we're going to see here, we're going to use sodium hydroxide. That's my alkaline with sulfuric acid. That's my acid. Okay, it's gonna give me sodium sulfate, as well as water, salt and water. Okay, acid, base, salt and water. So right now I'm going to change it to the chemical equation. So NaOH plus H2SO4 gives you Na2SO4 plus H2O. Next step is balance. So look at it, I'm going to add a 2 over here and a 2 over here. So this balances out the 2 Na, and I actually have extra H2 here, so total here I have 4. That's why I go on to add a 2 over here. That's the balancing. Okay, and basically if they are acid and base, they are all equals. I said the last one, water is a liquid. So right now I'm going to change it to the ions version. So I'm going to have 2 Na plus. It's really up to you if you want to continue with the state symbols, but I will just say if you are new to this, just write it in so that towards the end you're like not lost as to and start to change things when you're not supposed to change them. Okay, so this 2 Na plus. Make sure you actually bring the 2 over, as well as this 2 means the whole thing is 2 NaOH. So there's 2 Na plus, there is 2 OH minus, plus 2H plus, that's from the equation, so that's from the formula, plus SO4 2 minus, and going to give me, oops, I'm going to write it over here, 2 Na plus equals plus SO4 2 minus equals plus water remain as itself, because liquids, they are not broken into ions. So if you look at it carefully, you're going to see that Na sort of repeat himself, so I'm going to cancel them out. Make sure to repeat on after the arrow. So we're talking about same as the product, reactant same as the product. Then we'll see that SO4 2 minus is repeating itself. Again, I cross it out. I'll be left with the basic. So I'm going to rewrite this. It will be, our equation will be 2 OH minus equals plus 2H plus equals gives you 2 H2O. At this point of time, you're not wrong, neither are you correct if you stop here. I would say to neaten up, we should definitely simplify it further. So you should end off with OH minus plus H plus gives you water. And if you do enough of this kind of acid-base reaction, you're going to realize you end off at this ionic pretty much all the time. This means to show that for all acid-base reactions, especially this kind, whereby you're just reacting a acid and base to give you salt water, these are the main things that happen in it, that you basically have just form water from the hydroxide and the hydrogen ion. Well, that's it. I hope you practice more on this chemical, from a chemical equation to ionic equation. There is a lot of marks to it, especially the question require you to write the state symbols, that probably extra 1 mark, balancing, extra 1 mark. It seems like a lot to do for a few marks, but it's just a very straightforward thing. If you can get it done, it's pretty much a score in your points. Good luck!